Thanks for stopping by. My backyard just came alive today with all these little beautiful birds. I made some little ornaments of bird food with gelatin, and they all showed up to eat them. I put 4 of them in the backyard. They're taking baths. There's one taking a bath right now. Just enjoy. I wanted to share this with you. This gives forest bathing a whole new meaning. They're out here taking their little baths in the forest. Thank you so much for stopping by. May the beautiful kindness in you, may you share it with others today, even if it's just a brief smile to a stranger. I love you. I wanted to stop the video, but look at those two in the bird bath. The little one's telling him to get out because it wants to drink water. Oh, I love you. Be well. Thank you so much for stopping by and being a blessing in my day.